So we have got another package. This is from ADOFYS, where I usually shop for all the GoPro Insta360 or camera related products. They are offering very good rates, and they usually ship from Haryana. Let's see what all things we have. So yeah, as you can see, it's packed very nicely. With that, I don't think so there would be any issue with the product. Okay, let's open it up. No. So this is the accessory kit what we have, and so this is the first thing, which is basically you can hold your GoPro inside, and we have a lens protector and a holder to attach it to the other. So I'll just try with my GoPro 10. Nice, quite nice. It has a texture of carbon fiber, you can see here. Moving to the next product, as I showed, it's lens protector. It's rubberish feeling. Not sure if it is silicone, it's little hard. But I think it's silicone, but it's little hard, that's it. Okay. Then we talked about it already. Then we have this attachment which can help it's called floaty, basically can help your GoPro float in the water. And again a holder and a okay. Let's see, I feel all the other accessories will be inside this. So let's open it up. Yes, so these are the cases for basically if you are doing an underwater dive and you want to have a good colors, right? So you'll use all these with your GoPro. So there are several. These colors are used basically based on the depth at what you are going for, and you can use. And yeah, a waterproof cage. I didn't have a waterproof cage and for my GoPro 11, and wanted it so that I can take it underwater as well. Quality wise, I think it's fine. We have a plastic protector here and open easily. The last one which I had kind of comes out due to pressure, but I think this is good. So this is a silicone case, and I think it would be applicable for GoPro 10 as well. Yep, and it's perfect fit. You can see, feels good. Then we can attach this for a proper hold, and then again another protector, but I think it will be only for this particular. So this is short, so if you are not using the silicone case, I can use this one. If I'm using it with silicone case, I'll use this one. Okay, let's move to the next item. It's the battery door. So we see that GoPro, if we need to remove battery or put the charging cable or mic adapter, we have to remove the entire side assembly. Let me show it to you. So if you need to connect a mic adapter or charge it, we have to remove this entirely and then put this on. But now with this, now we can just use this and then take it off and have our mic adapters connected directly. So it's good, takes care of waterproofing as well. Then we have screen protectors. So basically front and back should be applicable for GoPro 12, 11, 10 and 9, so should be fine. And these are the inserts. Basically this is for the, if you're diving in or recording in water and then you see your lens fogging up with a waterproof case, just insert those so they allow absorb the moisture and keep your camera non-foggy. So yeah, I think, and this case as well. So this is a case where we can put our GoPro with the case, then 2 batteries here. And some mounts over here. I think battery would go here. Let me find my battery. Let me remove it now. Yeah, I forgot where it is. As you can see, it goes here. So you can have 2 batteries, one GoPro and then 2 mounts. I think it would be too large for the battery, as you can see. So, yeah. So thanks to ADOFYS for sending to me with a good price. So, let's quickly put these batteries and the GoPro as well. Now I don't know how it will go. Maybe this way. Yep. So that's all the accessories that I had with this. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.